Bansal classes. Bansal classes, firstly I'll tell about Bansal classes. Bansal classes is the premier coaching institute of Kota. It has started in year 1981 under the guidance of Vinod Kumar Bansal sir, that is VK Bansal sir. He is known as the father of coaching industry, and he was the only one person who started the coaching industry initially in Kota. Till date, we have produced 5-time AIR rank 1 and 6-time AIR rank 2, all India rank, and 6-time AIR rank 3. We have our presence in 75 centers, 75 centers across India. So from last so many years, we are providing education to all the students who are the aspirants of IIT, JEE, NEET, and also we are catering services to the pre-foundation division, wherein we are covering 6th till 10th classes. The USPs of Bansal classes is like we always give one-on-one counseling to the students, one-on-one mentoring to the students. We have a study material which has been wholly designed by VK Bansal sir. And now Samir Bansal sir, his son, he is looking after Bansal classes. Apart from that, here we want to thank director sir for this collaboration with Bansal classes, as we are going to do school integration program with Anand Baruaram Academy. Here we will be covering nearly 10 to 11 districts of Lower Assam, wherein students don't need to go to Guwahati or don't need to go to Kota for these courses. They'll cover up all their IIT JEE's preparation from here itself, from Anand Baruaram Academy. We will be providing all the faculties which will be highly trained, highly qualified from Kota, IIT, NIT pass outs. We will be providing all the daily practice problems, then we will be providing all the test series and one-on-one counseling to the students from Guwahati center itself. This SIP is mainly for those students, those who are willing to go for this industry, but they don't have that background to come to Guwahati, stay there, and to go to any other cities outside Assam. So for that, this integration is there, and we would like to, promote all the, all the channels, like if any students, if anybody wants to go for these JEE, IIT and NEET programs, they can come directly here instead of coming to Guwahati, because they'll be getting the same study material, same pattern, whatever we are covering in Guwahati. Will be all the faculties which will be we will be providing to the institute, all will be hired from Kota. They will be trained in Kota, they will be IIT and NIT pass out. So you will get all the faculties, the students will get all the faculties. Those are not from Assam, they will be from North. So they will be trained in Kota, so they will get all the study material, all the pattern, whatever Kota is covering for the students, whatever Kota is providing, the students will be getting that. And here with Anand Baruaram Academy, we will be covering 10 districts. I'll name the districts here. That is Barpeta, Bajali, Baksa, Chirang, Kokrajhar, Tamulpur, Bangaigaon, Nalbari, Dhubri and Gwalpara. So we will be catering all these 11 districts here. So anything if you want to ask, we can ask me. Etu basar mane ami jetia start korisu, etu holo 11th, 12th, NEET or JEE karnei thakibo. Next year we will be planning with sir if we can go for pre-foundation division. But etu basar ami only for IIT, JEE and NEET we will be starting. Amar or etu SIP amar oru ase, kintu amar Guwahati te ase, yate nai. Lower Assam or etu amar first SIP hobo. First school integration program hobo. Amar etai branch ase etia Guwahati ase. Guwahati. Etia duta hoi jabo. This will be the second one. This will be the second one. So yate counseling session ami provide korim, or sir tate gotai khini bostu to bujai dia goise kiman khini percentage lage JEE karne ba NEETor karne, etu percentage jodi studentor ase tetia hole etu courseor karne eligible hoy. Etu minimum criteria hoy. For NEETor it is 50 to 55% and for JEE it will be 75%. So etu counseling yate dia jabo. Amar manu khini thakibo yate. Yate dia jabo. Bansal classes or ene to mane apnar he ase ki we have a capacity of 30 to 40 students in a batch, but in school premises it can exceed up to 50 students. That is up to the school how they are managing. Amar sabote mane 30 to 45 student can study in a batch. Yes sir. Duration will be in a day there will be 3 classes. If the student যদি student আপনার PCM আছে মানে physics chemistry math, so 3 classes in a day, তো আপনার ভাবিলো আপনি 45 to 50 মিনিটৰ এক ক্লাছ হ'ব। তাৰপিছত কাৰিকুলাম তো ইনষ্টিটিউটে ডিসাইড কৰিব কি হিচাপত মানে ফেকাল্টি মেনেজ কৰিব। ফেকাল্টিবোৰ আমি প্ৰভাইড কৰিম, কিন্তু টাইম টেবল বা যিখিনি টাইম হ'ব এটো আমাৰ মিউচুৱেল ডিসকাশনৰ লগত ডিসিজন লোৱা যাব। এটো 50 মিনিটছো হ'ব পাৰে আৰু 1 আৱাৰো হ'ব পাৰে, ডিপেন্ড। মানে স্কলারশিপ টেস্ট থাকে, যদি স্টুডেন্ট এটো ক্লিয়ার করে তেতিয়া হলে ইনস্টিটিউটর এটো আছে ডিসিশন, যাতে যদি দিব পারে দিব পারে। Crash course for this year there will be no crash course. Next year we will plan with sir and we can come up with the crash course. Although we will provide AI matlab test series to 12th students, those who will be appearing 12th this year, so they will be getting test series, but crash course this year we will be not giving any. Next year we can plan. Next year we will be planning with sir, we have to sit with sir, and then we can start with the pre-foundation courses wherein we can give Olympiads training, Olympiads coaching classes to these students from starting from class 6 till 10th class. But this year we will be starting with 11, 12th. আমার ফার্স্ট ব্যাচ তো ওলাইছে আপনার 2024, তো আমার যে পার্সেন্টেজ আছিল প্লেসমেন্ট পার্সেন্টেজ, দ্যাট ওয়াজ অ্যারাউন্ড 15 to 20% স্টুডেন্ট আর প্লেস। অল আর স্টুডেন্টস আর প্লেস ইন আ ভেরি গুড ইনস্টিটিউটস। Some of our students are in GMCH and then IIT Guwahati, IIIT Guwahati, and this will be our second batch which will be coming in 2026. तो अभी तो इसका रिजल्ट आया नहीं है। वी आर ऑल्सो होपिंग फॉर द रिजल्ट एंड वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग 20 to 25% रिजल्ट दिस ईयर एज वेल। कन्वर्जन रेशियो एडमिशन एटीआर पर ही स्टार्ट हो যাব। एडमिशन दिस इज द एडमिशन टाइम, एनी स्टूडेंट कैन कम एंड टेक द काउंसलिंग। ইয়াতেই কৰিব লাগিব, কাউন্সেলিং সেশনটো ইয়াতেই দিয়া।
যিকোনো খবৰৰ বাবে যোগাযোগ কৰক আমাৰ এই নম্বৰত 9181 307 221।